Guys, welcome to Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B. Today we're in the kitchen and we are making a glorious muffin. This is an old-time muffin that is jam-packed with all different types of flavors, and I absolutely love each and every one of them. Let me go ahead and get into these ingredients so we can get these muffins on the table. Let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to need for our muffins. You're going to need some eggs, sugar. On here I have baking soda, cinnamon, and salt. We have some AP flour here. We have a cup of oil. These beautiful components that goes into those muffins that make them so tasty. We have coconut, golden raisins, and walnuts, and you can use the nuts of your choice. We're also going to grate some apples and carrots and put into those glorious muffins. Let me go ahead and get these all grated up, and then we're going to get into those muffins. I have 1 cup of grated apples and 2 cups of grated carrots. So all we have to do now is get all our ingredients into our bowl and get them mixed well, and they are ready to bake. Just that simple. So I'm going to start with my flour and my cinnamon, baking soda, and salt, and we're just going to go ahead and add it right into that flour. And give it a good little whisk just to combine everything together. Next up, I want to go ahead and get my eggs whisked into my bowl. Woo! Whoa, did you see that? So, blooper, I managed to lose my egg on my board. So, and I like to use room temperature eggs. So what do you do in a time like this? I'm glad you asked. I have a cold egg. I have some hot water that I heated in the microwave to get it nice and hot. I'm going to place my egg into that hot boiling water and let it sit for a couple of minutes. And while our egg is becoming room temperature, we're going to go ahead and whisk those together there, along with my oil. I like to try to get all the wet ingredients in together before I start adding the dry. You do not need a mixer unless you absolutely just want to use a mixer. It's not required. I'm going to go ahead and add my sugar. We're going to whisk our sugar in with our egg and our oil. How simple is that? That's going to be a good muffin too. Just going to give it a couple of whirls. And that is it. All right. Our egg is ready. Let's be careful with this one. Let's crack it inside. Perfect. move this water out of the way. It's not a part of the recipe. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put my whisk to the side. And I'm gonna grab a spoon. I'm gonna go ahead and get my apples in. Add our carrots. That's 2 cups of carrots. We're going to add our flour next. About half at the time. That batter is so beautiful. It almost reminds you of a carrot cake, doesn't it? The remainder of the flour goes in. I can smell that cinnamon. It has everything smelling so good. Now this is going to make a lot of muffins. So if you're not going to bake them, if you don't want to bake them all at one time, you can very well save them and put them in the refrigerator, and they will last up to 2 weeks in your refrigerator. So you can bake them when you want them. Now it's time to get a little chunky. We're going to add some nuts, raisins, and coconut. We're just going to let it all go right in at once. Wow, look at that. Guys, we have all our ingredients in these muffins and we are ready to bake them. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 degrees. What a gorgeous batter. So I'm only going to bake about 9 cupcakes, and I'm going to save the rest of my batter in the refrigerator. And it's good in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. We're going to place our muffins in a 375 degrees oven, and they're going to bake for about 20 minutes or until your toothpick comes out clean. I just pulled our muffins from the oven and they are absolutely beautiful and they smell out of this world. Take a look at those muffins. Gorgeous. Morning Glory muffins. They are so beautiful, guys, and it smells so good. I have some apple butter. And if you're interested in making apple butter, I will link the video in the description box so that you can make you some apple butter. Some Morning Glory muffin. Look at there. This is the perfect muffin for that morning cup of coffee. A Morning Glorious. You do not have one ingredient overpowering the other. It is the perfect balance. Guys, this is a good one. Please like and share and subscribe to the channel so you too can know when I drop another awesome recipe. And until next time, I'm going to see you right back here on Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B. Take care.